Happy Friday, everyone. It is hopefully the last day of Zooms and writing videos and maths videos that we have for online learning. Fingers crossed all goes to plan and we get to go back into the classroom and teach face to face. We are so excited. Don't forget that we have a 10 a.m. Zoom today and we will have Mrs. Kemp visiting us. But for now, we're doing some writing, some informative writing. So yesterday's writing, you had to design your own robot. It was going to be a 2-day project. First, you had to design your robot and label it, and then you had to make your robot using household items or materials, things you could find from around the house. And today we then get to write instructions on how to make your robot. And it's informative because we are informing someone on how to build something. It's instructions. It's writing a procedure. Here's my RoboPet design from yesterday. I've got a cardboard box as the body, a red balloon all blown up as the head, some paper rolls as the arms and legs, a pipe cleaner as the mouth, and buttons as the eyes. And these items can be found all around your home. And I've said this before, I don't have my iPad drawing pen, so my writing might look a little bit messier today. I apologize. But for today's writing, we get to write a procedure. And we know that when we write procedures, we do step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. A good writer always plans their message first out loud. We're going to do that together. A good writer always uses finger spaces between words, rereads to check that their message makes sense and looks right, and uses language to suit the purpose. So we spoke about using step-by-step instructions for a procedure, but I wonder what verbs you're going to use, because when we're writing a procedure, we need action words or commanding words, which are verbs, because we need to tell someone how to do something. So the start of my writing, I've got how to make a robot. I've drawn a picture, which I've used from Thursday's picture, but now it's time to write a materials list because we need to pretend that our audience doesn't know anything about building a robot. So we need to make it really easy for them to understand. First, I've got my cardboard box, then some paper rolls, a balloon, 2 buttons, pipe cleaner, and I'll also need some glue, tape, and scissors. Okay, it's time to write our step-by-step instructions on how to build a robot. Okay, step 1, remember we said we're going to think and plan our message out loud to be successful. Well, I'm thinking about what materials I have, and I have a cardboard box for the body. And I think it would make sense to start there. So I've got my cardboard box. I'm going to need to glue the paper rolls for the arms and the legs. So step 1, glue 4 paper rolls onto the box for the arms and legs. I wonder if you can find the verb on my page. Can you point to the screen and find the verb? The commanding verb, which is telling our audience what to do, the action word. That's right, it's glue. That's the action commanding word. And here's a picture to show exactly what I mean. Okay, step 2. Tape a balloon to the top of the box. Remember, that's the head. Point to the verb in this sentence. That's right, it's tape. Tape is the verb. and a picture to match my sentence. Okay, step 3. I'm thinking we're going to need some of those eyes, the button eyes. Step 3, glue 2 button eyes onto the balloon. Okay, run your finger across or underneath the verb on the screen. Can you do it? Can you find it? Yay! It's glue. Picture to match my sentence. Okay, step 4. I'm saying my message out loud. We've got the one thing left, and it's the mouth. And we said we're going to use a pipe cleaner for it. I think glue would be the best way to stick that on. So glue the pipe cleaner under the eyes. Glue the pipe cleaner under the eyes. 7 words. It's already planned out loud. Take the pipe cleaner under the button eyes. There's the verb, tape. And a picture to match my sentence. I'm going to reread to check that it makes sense because that's what good writers always do. Step 1, glue 4 paper rolls onto the box for the arms and legs. Step 2, tape a balloon to the top of the box. Step 3, glue 2 button eyes onto the balloon. Step 4, tape the pipe cleaners under the button eyes. It's very detailed. I think we've definitely informed our audience on how to build a robot. Okay, let's just check if we've been successful. Did we plan our message out loud? Yes, we did. Did we use finger spaces in between words? Yes, I can see that. We did. Did we reread to check that it makes sense and looks right? We sure did just then. And did we use procedure language to suit the purpose, which was to inform someone on how to build something? Yes, we've even put a box around those verbs. Well done. Okay, well done, everybody. I can't wait to see your procedure writing.